Everyone says start with a helmet. Nobody mentions it'll make you want to quit. A full suit is 40 plus parts. I'm starting with the one everyone sees first. How hard can one helmet be?
Tony Stark was able to build this in a cave with a box of scraps.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm not Tony Stark.
Here we have some lovely prints printing, but guess what? This one turned into spaghetti, and so did this one. And with these kind of print times, I've officially voided the warranty on my son. Here we go. Oh. Ultimately, we want to get that locating. It's looking good though, looking good. Beautiful. What you don't see is the 47 attempts it took me to get these up and running. Here we go. Every click, every piece coming together is one step closer to a suit that shouldn't exist. If it fits, if it doesn't, I'm not crying, you're crying. I think we can say we've got the helmet done. We've only got a full suit to go. The motors are holding for now. Part 2 is where it gets complicated. Part 2, we're going to remake the Arc Reactor. Subscribe so you don't miss out.